Hi, I'm Jen Evans, Director of Education for Kevyn Aucoin Beauty. I can't wait to introduce you to the world of ElectroPOP. Playfully dynamic and diverse, the ElectroPOP palette will take your look from day to night, with luxurious nude pearls and electrometallic pops of color. This rich, creamy formula provides the most intense pigment payoff. Let's explore the looks you can create using ElectroPOP. This smoky eye is inspired by illuminating the darkness with nuances of light. Apply blackout to the eyelid, blending up toward the crease and under the lower lash line. Apply switch with your finger to the center of the eyelid. Apply ultraviolet to the center of the eyelid. Apply switch under the lower lash line. Blend to diffuse edges. Finish the look with your favorite Kevyn Aucoin mascara. These iridescent shades can transform any smoky eye into a holographic blackened moon. Metallic golds enrobed in pearlized lights creates this gilded golden glow. Dress the eyelid and under the lower lash line with Beam eyeshadow using the flat side of the Duet concealer brush. Flip the brush to the dome side to diffuse the edges. Apply a charged eyeshadow in the crease with the dome side of the Duet concealer brush. Apply pops of pearl with light eyeshadow in the inner and outer corners. Intensify the metallic gold by gently sweeping Beam across the eyelid with your finger. See how wearable golds can be, from washes of color to high-impact shine. Subtle opalescent pearls illuminate the eyes for this natural glow. Apply ultraviolet with the dome side of the Duet concealer brush to the eyelid, inner and outer corners of the eye. Apply fuse to the crease and under the lower lash line. Apply one last layer of ultraviolet to the center of the eyelid to give that opalescent strobe. Romanticize your metallics with this new take on natural. Rose gold gets accessorized with hints of copper sparkle and pops of opalescent pink. Apply heat to the eyelid, blending into the crease and under the lower lash line. Using the same brush, apply heat to the center of the eyelid. Also apply heat to the center of the lower lash line. Using the same brush, apply switch to the inner corner of the eye in circular motions. This crushed velvet eye look is pretty and pink with some added heat. These green eyes are going wild with ultramarine metallic hues. Apply impulse to the eyelid, blending up to the crease and under the lower lash line. Use the dome side of the Duet concealer brush to blend and diffuse the edges. Apply hardwire to the inner corner of the eye. Using the same brush, apply amp to the center of the eyelid, blending outward. Loving this bejeweled tone smoky eye.